Yo, back with another video. Just found out after getting my new fishing rod that cats like zip ties. Well, mine does. He loves them. I gotta make him go flimsy. He'll go crazy. You can pretty much make a toy out of anything with this guy. Except plastic bottles, I guess. You don't like those. There's my other cat. He likes to bite my rods. Because it was annoying trying to get that out of the package when he was trying to eat it. Eat that one. Isn't he just a cutie one? Yeah, he's just a cutie one. Oh, oh. Gotta get his tummy. Yeah, he's just a good boy. He's just a good boy. Well, that's all. I just want to show you how cute he was. And he'll probably run after it. Oh, he does. Sorry, buddy.